Hi, this is Gary with MACMOST.com. Let me show you some ways that you can learn things using ChatGPT. MACMOST is brought to you thanks to a great group of more than 1,000 supporters. Go to MACMOST.com/Patreon. There you could read more about the Patreon campaign, join us, and get exclusive content and course discounts. So ChatGPT knows a lot about a lot of things, and you can ask it questions just to learn from it. One of the most basic ways to do that is just to ask it for some facts. And of course, the chat in ChatGPT means you can just ask follow-up questions. Instead of just asking for facts, you can ask ChatGPT to explain things to you. If a topic seems too complex, you can always ask ChatGPT to adjust its level of explanation. You can also ask it how to do something like this. You can ask ChatGPT to give you more information about certain topics or objects. For instance, you can ask it for nutritional information. Or just something like this. And it's not just good with facts. It's also good with more subjective kinds of topics, like for instance fashion advice. ChatGPT is multilingual, so it can help you if you're trying to learn another language. You can simply ask it how to say something in a language like this. Or you can ask it for some text to practice with. And of course you can just keep asking for more examples. If you need ideas, you can use ChatGPT as a way to brainstorm. So for instance, you can ask it something like this to start. And then you could just ask it follow-up questions like this. Now if you're studying a subject, you may want to quiz yourself on the topic. You could do this in preparation for a test or just to learn new things. So you can ask something like this. And of course you can continue the conversation by asking for an answer that has you stumped. If you're a teacher, you can use this to actually create quizzes for your class. Of course, it's easier to grade these kinds of quizzes if they're multiple choice. Of course, not all questions may be appropriate for the quiz, so you may ask it for more than 10 and then be able to eliminate some you don't want to use. So there are some ideas to get you started. I'm sure you can think of even more ways to learn things using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, click the thumbs up button below to let me know. I publish new tutorials each weekday. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.